Oh my gosh, I am so excited to show you this.
Oh, hey there. Hey, we're out doing cache maintenance and we're working on the Benny and June Library cache. It's actually part of our Filmed in Spokane Geo Tour. So Benny and June, the movie, 1993, was filmed right here in Spokane at this particular house. So it was a 1993 movie and it starred Aidan Quinn, Mary Stuart Masterson, and Johnny Depp. So we thought for the June 2020 Geo Challenge of the Month to find a cache that's movie themed. Could be TV themed as well. All right, now Joshua, get to it.
I love getting outside. I love exploring my world through the amazing hobby of geocaching, but I also love movies and I also love TV shows. If you've watched this channel for any amount of time, you know that I have found so many different movie themed and television themed geocaches. I have found a ton of Star Wars geocaches. I visited the Goonies movie locations and went geocaching there. I've done Doctor Who caches. I've done Back to the Future. So that's why I'm really pumped that the Geo Challenge of the Month this month is to find a TV or movie related geocache. So today I traveled like 5 miles from my house because there is a geocache that is of the theme Harry Potter. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, or any of the Potter books. So we're here, we're at ground zero. Let's go find it. So this is just in a neighborhood street. The rumor is that it is a little free library, and I'm always a fan. You know I'm a fan of little free libraries. They're the perfect places to hide geocaches. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to show you this. Oh my gosh, there it is. It is a beautiful Harry Potter castle. Not only that, it is a little free library as well. This is so beautiful and so well done. And as you can see, it is actually a real little free library. The Marauders map. There's a little moat right here. Whee! It's so cool because there are so many like hidden Easter eggs that have to do with Harry Potter and the Harry Potter books. Each side is a different theme. And look at this one, even has windows. And check it out. Geocache, geocache. Nope, it is just some books. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, I am a fan of that. So that's so cool. We got the lion side over here. More books. Like, is the geocache back? Nope, that's solid. You have to forgive me guys, I don't know Harry Potter super well, but is that like a griffin? Like, is this like Gryffindor? Books here, another window, and then one final side over here. And let's see what's in here, geocache? Nope, this side is just filled with romance. All right, I've fully checked out the free library part of this, but now I need to find the geocache. Okay, after further investigation, opened and dun 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 dun. Yes! Secret door, friends. Secret door. There it is, official geocache. Beautiful. Let's do a little unboxing of the geocache. We've got a solid, nice logbook here. One of my favorites, painted rock. And in here as well is the Harry Potter themed sticker. This is on the outside. Oh my gosh, we have a bunch of themed stickers. That is really fun swag. I'm gonna drop some trackables in here. There's plenty of room. Gotta love when that happens. Logbook signed. Oh my gosh. This is so well done. I love it. Oh my gosh! I was just out here finding the geocache, and a few of the geocaching owners, this is your cache with your mom and your dad and your sister? Awesome, what is your name?
Inga.
Inga, tell me about this geocache. Did you help make this geocache?
Yeah.
What did you do to make it? What did you do?
Well, I painted it and stuff. I made this out of styrofoam. styrofoam.
Oh, you made the castle out of styrofoam. That is so cool. I think it is so awesome. It's one of the best geocaches in this town. Do you know that? I have friends tell me all the time, like, this is one of the best geocaches in the whole town. How does that make you feel?
Happy.
Do you kind of like check out some of the toys sometimes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? What is the coolest toy that you found in there?
A race car.
You found a race car? Did you find a toy in there too?
Oh, that's my big sister.
Well, thank you so much for welcoming me to your yard and find the awesome geocache.
Thanks, bye.
Bye! How cool is that? Now it is your chance to go out and find a movie or a TV related geocache. Take a picture of it, make a video, send it to me at geocachingvlogger@gmail.com, and you'll be entered to win an exclusive Geo Challenge of the Month, Geocoin. For some of you, this might be very challenging. On the Cache app or the geocaching website, you can put the name of anything, the name of a title of any geocache, and you can search by the name of the geocache. So that might be one way that you can find a movie or TV related geocache.